Hey guys, this is Cindy with SeekOptics.com, and today we're going to show you how to replace the lenses on your Oakley bottle cap frames. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is place one thumb underneath of the bridge of the nose here. Now we're going to be pushing up on the bridge of the nose with this thumb as we pull down on the frame with your opposite pointing finger. And as we pull down on the frame, we're going to slide the lens out with our opposite thumb. It's almost like if you're cracking an egg. So we're going to push up here, pull down on this section of the frame as we slide the lens out. Let's give it a shot. Perfect. Now we're going to do the same thing to the other side. We're going to push up on the bridge of the nose as we pull down on the frame with our opposite pointing finger and slide the lens out with our opposite thumb. Perfect. Now once you've done that, go ahead and locate the inside grooves of the frame here. Now towards the edges of the frame, around these corners, there's notches, and that's what we're going to be lining up our lens to. Now today I'm going to be installing my new Revo Emerald Green lenses. And if you notice on the lenses, there's these little hooks. That's what we're going to be inserting into these notches here. So we're going to start off with the outside hook first. We're going to line it up to that groove, slide it through the groove into that notch of the frame in the corner here. Once you've done that, line up the opposite end to the groove of the frame here. Now, all you got to do is push up on the lens with your thumbs as you pull down on the frame with your pointing fingers to get it to lock in. And you should hear a pop when you do this, like that. Let's do the same thing to this side. Locate the inside groove of your frame, line up the outside hook first, slide it through into that notch. Then we're going to line up the lens to the inside groove here of the nose piece. Now we're just going to push up on the lens as we pull down on the frame to get it to seat in. Like that. Now once you've done that, go ahead and take your Seek Optics microfiber pouch and give it a nice little wipe down. These serve as a cleaning cloth, and it'll remove any debris or any oils that might have stayed behind during the installation. And now you're good to go. Now, once you've installed your new Seek Optic lenses into your frames, we would love to see how you've customized your look and the functionality of your frames to fit your everyday needs. So please go ahead and post a picture to Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram with the hashtag Seek Optics. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more updates and content. And of course, if you do have any further questions or concerns about the frames, your lenses, or just the installation, please feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email to info@seekoptics.com.